Dear Mommy and Daddy, what's the difference between an MK8 nozzle and an MK10 nozzle?
It's actually pretty straightforward, as I'm going to show you each of the nozzles and show you the differences. So here's an MK10 nozzle. If you can see, it's kind of flat. Right here, it's kind of flat. And then if we look at the back of it, the back part's got a big hole, and that hole is actually for a PTFE tube. So it's a plastic tube that actually fits inside through the nozzle. MK10s are generally used on FlashForge and Wanhaos and any clones that have been made of those printers. Okay, nice and kind of squat. All right, now I'm gonna get out an MK8 nozzle and you're gonna see the difference. Here's an MK8. It's really pointy, much more pointy on the tip. And if we look at the back of the MK8, it has a much smaller hole. And the diameter of this, the reason it's called the back of it, is an M6 thread. And you know what, I didn't show you that thread, so let me show you that on the MK10. Here we go. That's an M7 thread. So if we look at the diameter, it's the M7 is referring to the diameter of this, of the threads on the back. So M7, M6, they won't fit into the same extruder. The MK8s are typically used on the MakerBots, the earlier MakerBots, and any of their clones. So if you measure the diameter of this with your calipers, if you have them, you'll see that that's right around 7 millimeters, sometimes a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. On the MK8 nozzle, it has an M6 thread, which means that the thread will be just right around 6 millimeters. Again, sometimes a little bit under, sometimes a little bit over.